Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a title to your document on Pages using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Pages application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application. Open up the Pages application. And now let's go to File. Go to Open. Navigate to the desktop, which we are on. There I see Documents.Pages. Click on Open. Now let's just wait for that to load. So we have some text on screen as well as a couple of photos. The purpose of this tutorial is to insert a title. What I will do is press enter a couple of times. Let's go to a new line. Let's just say this is the Pages document. And now what I will do is highlight, increase the text size. Let's just say to 18, change to bold. We can have bold, italic, or regular, or any other on screen. Let's go back to bold. We can have different character styles. We can have a different color of text. We can also align to the center, which is what most titles are done to. Spacing, bullets and list. Drop cap, that's all for another tutorial. Let's click on title, and there we have our title increased to size 30, aligned to the center, and there we go. So that's how we insert a title to the Pages document. Let's now Command S to save. Let's quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.